Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin's next move. Okay, so what's next for Bitcoin? Okay, and I'm telling you, I don't want to miss this crypto trend. Okay, so let's go straight to your BTC chart first. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin is around at 27,166, right? So if you see that here is behaving as a resistance, then it's behaving here, right? These two areas. And if you see in the past, Bitcoin's even behaved here as a resistance. One is here, and then one is here, right? So these two areas are the key right now. Okay, so Bitcoin from here it touched this, so from here it can either go down, and mostly it will, since it's showing kind of bearish right over here, or it will just make a high wick, like a small high wick that is going up, and then it goes straight down. Okay, so more probably Bitcoin is going down from here, since this is on a 4-hour chart and it's showing kind of a bearish candles, right? But if if it breaks this resistance at around 27,474, makes this as a support, then only we can re-enter. So till now we sell all our altcoins because we know that it's a massive dump from here, right? Bitcoin is more probably going down. Okay, so once it goes around 26,658, then we'll see whether it bounces or it breaks. Okay, so till now Bitcoin's bearish, right? So now let's go, we need to take all this data and go into your next altcoins and your Ethereum chart. Okay, so now let's go into your Ethereum chart. Okay, so as of now Ethereum's also reached its own resistance at around 1919. Okay, so right now we kind of need to sell all your Ethereum. Okay, and more probably buy it when it breaks this, make support, or when it reaches here at this support at around 1947. As you know that your Ethereum also is ranging in this place, right? From 1919 to 1847. Okay, so that's for Ethereum chart. Okay, now let's talk about your next chart, which is your avax. Okay, so avax also would be a good selling right here, anywhere here, right? Your avax. Okay, and buying only when it breaks this, makes support, and then it's more probably going up. Okay, so we need to rebuy it here, because as you know, even your your avax also is ranging at from $14.47 to $13.95. Okay, so we'll see on rebuying it right here whether it bounces or it breaks this support. Okay, but till now it's too early to talk about. Okay, so now let's go into your next chart. Okay, so for your next chart is your Solana. Okay, so Solana also, this being the resistance around $21.35 would be a good entry to buying, and only once it breaks this makes support to re-enter. Okay, so till then Bitcoin's bearish, so your Solana is more probably going to this support at around $19.88. Okay, or to this support over here, since this one is behaving as strong support, right? Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so dot chart didn't have that much to show, since you can see this wicks, right? This wicks of your dot, there was so much sell pressure over here, so your dot just remained here only. Okay, so if your Bitcoin goes down right from here, then to get a good shot on your dot would be a good entry, right? From $5.23 to put a short. Once it breaks this, makes a resistance, then we enter all our short. Okay, and then we ride it all the way to $4.67. Okay, so if you like content like this, just give it a like, hit that subscribe button, ping the notification bell on, so you don't miss content like this. And when you hit that like button, right, even YouTube recommends videos like this. Okay, so now let's go into your next chart, which is your Cardano. Okay, so Cardano also is hit his resistance right here at around 0.37 cents. If you see, even in the past it's hit this resistance, and then from there it's all gone down back to 0.35 cents. Okay, so right now selling your Cardano right here, and only once it breaks makes support to re-enter. Okay, if it's more probably going up once it does this. Okay, so more probably going to 0.35 cents your ADA, and then we can think of rebuying, or if it breaks this support and it makes a resistance, then we can enter, or we can enter a short, right? Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is your algo. Okay, so for algo, we know that algo is the bottom. If you want to see on a daily, I'll show you the bottom of algo. Let's put a full screen so you can see it exactly. Okay, so the bottom of algo on 20, you can see down here, the date is there. On 2020, December 2022 was the bottom. Okay, so $0.16 was the bottom, and right now it's around 0.15, right? And the lowest that is ever gone. Okay, so you're seeing the lowest was here. Okay, you can see here 0. I'll put it as a mark. Okay, so here you can see right over here the lowest algo is gone. Okay, so 0, it was at March 20th. Okay, so right now it's reached over there, that week you've seen, right? So right now the lowest right now it's around 0.15 cents. Okay, your algo, so there's more place for it to go. But if you're bullish on algo, buying here would be a good entry. 0.9 cents, 0.15 cents is like just 5 cents less, but a good opportunity to buy if you're bullish on algo. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your near. Okay, so for a near chart also, the near chart also has been ranging from around $1.68 to $1.55. Okay, so right now selling your near, right? Once it, I can sell it here, or anyway once it reaches here somewhere I can sell it, because sometimes the charts no more probably don't go right here, right? And they fall. Even in the middle they come and then they go back to your next to the support pack. Okay, since your Bitcoin also is topping, right? So you'll need to see mainly on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also topping, and this near chart is not reached here to its resistance. Okay, but if your near chart breaks this support, makes a resistance, then we can enter short. Okay, so it's all depend on BTC. So right now selling your near also anywhere between here anywhere would be a good entry, right? And only once it breaks this, makes support, to re-enter the position, because it's more probably going up, and even your BTC is bullish, right? Now let's talk about your last chart and then your crypto trends. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about your phantom chart. Okay, so phantom chart also, it's showing very less volume of buying. Okay, so right now, so if you all have your phantom, then right now if you all bought it here would be a good entry selling. But if you have a long term, then you all can relax. Okay, until it breaks this support. Okay, we can even talk of shorting it. Okay, so right now your phantom chart is not ranging. We can't see it's ranging anyway. At the most it was ranging over here, but right now it broke this support and it's gone down. Okay, so we need to see whether it will break this and go down. Okay, since if you see this also, this thing behaved as a resistance, right? Behaved as a resistance right here. Okay, so right here it's behaved as a resistance right here. Now it mostly broke that resistance was here. Okay, so mostly it broke the rest, but from here if it breaks this support, then we think of need of shorting it. Okay, for phantom chart. Okay, so now let's go straight to your crypto trends. For crypto trends, which coins are pumping? IMX here, then where's one more? Lido, then nothing else that much. Okay, OP, but not that much. Okay, so now let's go straight to your crypto trend. Okay, so let's go into your Lido. Okay, so right now Lido. Okay, so right now Lido is at its resistance here, and your Bitcoin is also going down. So buying Lido right now would not be a good entry. Okay, seeing some good short position if Bitcoin goes. Okay, so let's see about. I didn't talk about this Bitcoin. If your Bitcoin breaks this, you can say kind of. Wait, I'll just go on a Wana chart to see exact. Okay, so if your Bitcoin breaks, and this is on a Wana chart. Okay, so be safe here. Okay, so if your Bitcoin breaks this support, right? If it breaks this support, you can see this support, right? It's a BTC chart. Okay, let's talk about this, which I didn't tell. If your Bitcoin breaks this support, this you can say around $27 point $27,000 point $27,132 if your Bitcoin breaks that support. Once it breaks this, makes a resistance, then we know it's a confirmed short and your Bitcoin is going down to 26,658. Okay, so in your crypto trends also, these coins will mostly go down. So the first one which we took was Lido, right? So Lido also, once it breaks this support, we know, once your Bitcoin breaks the support, we know this Lido also is going down, right? So let's go on a far chart. Okay, so once your Lido also breaks this support, right? This support it breaks. I'll just remove this thing. Okay, kind of fidgeting in the middle. Okay, so once your Lido also breaks this support, we know that your Lido also is going down. Either it's going back to this resistance over here, or it's going straight down to $2.03. Okay, so right now longing would not be a good idea since Bitcoin looks bearish. Okay, so now let's go into IMAX, the next crypto trend. Okay, so IMAX is also going down. So at the most it was ranging from here to here, and if your Bitcoin goes down, your Lido also will break this support at 0.78 cents and go all the way to its normal resting support at 0.17 cents. Okay, so that's for your IMX, and you'll know that right now Bitcoin is bearish, so we can't buy the crypto trend. We just need to watch for the next time Bitcoin pumps. We need to attack on that. Okay, so that's it for your crypto trends. If you like content like this, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this and early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.